When you log in, you'll be faced with the My Patient dashboard. So this is the list of your patients that you've created an exercise plan for. There's two ways to add a new patient. You can either select it from the menu, Add New Patient, or you can click the green button, Add New Patient. Enter the first name and last name. Now, if you want to enter a title, you can do, and from that point onwards it will refer to your patient as Mr. Jones, Mrs. Smith, Dr. Jones in the SMS and in the email and on the exercise plan. So if you want to be less formal, then just leave the title blank. Enter their email and enter the mobile phone number. If you've created the settings of an email CC and an email BCC, then you can enter that too. If there's a duplicate patient like 2 John Smiths, then you can enter a date of birth, but you don't need to enter that. And if you've got a particular preference for photo and line art, then you can choose it here. In most cases, the default we keep as photo. Now, of course, we need to get patient consent, so just mention to your patient that you're taking the details so you can prescribe them an exercise program. It does fall under legitimate interest under GDPR, so there shouldn't be any issue with putting your patients into here. You're not sending them marketing plans. Add new patient. Good, and now here is your exercise dashboard. So this is where all of your exercise plans will occur. So let's get ready to prescribe an exercise plan.